Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, we are meeting after 2 weeks. My dear friends, if you follow me on Instagram, then you must be knowing that I was in Dubai. And the reason was Emirates ID and the residency visa. If you're from India, then you must be knowing that okay, we have some legal issues, complications here. So to avoid all these legal troubles, okay, I had to take the Emirates ID and the uh, UAE residency visa because UAE or Dubai is the heaven for traders like us. Okay. So I'm not shifting right now, okay, but yes, I got my ID and my residency visa, so I'll be on and off. Okay, but yes, um, it was important or necessary for me, okay, just to avoid all the legal complications. And now the best part is that I don't need to worry about anything. I can talk freely. Okay. And while saying that, I also got the information news that XNES is no longer onboarding new clients. Okay. And obviously, you guys must have heard from me saying a lot of times XNES is not a right platform, especially in India because of legal trouble. So if you guys are still using XNES, please be careful. Okay. Try to withdraw your profit because I know that okay, XNES have a cult following in India, but sometimes these followers, okay, they forget that they are here to make money from the market, not to trade on behalf of XNES or become the XNES army. So please be careful, okay, if you're still using XNES, okay, because there are lots of better options outside. Okay, if you're looking for options, you'll find link in the description as well. Okay, now let's talk about gold. So my reference, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is trading around 3360. So the market opened a little gap up, market filled the gap, okay, and we can see that after filling the gap, market is trying to go up again. The sad news is that before going to Dubai, okay, gold was clueless, gold was pathetic. We discussed also, okay, and things have not improved much. Okay, things are still the same. To be honest, I was expecting that after my arrival, okay, gold would be in a better place. We would see a cleaner market, but things have not changed. In fact, not only in gold, okay, on other charts also, okay, things are not very clear right now. So if you look at the daily chart of gold, you can see that overall the market is still bullish. There is no doubt about it. But if we look at the present condition of the market, do you think that this is a convincing market? This is a good market to trade? Obviously, the answer is no. Especially if you're a swing trader or if you're looking for a big position that you can hold for the next few days, then obviously this is not the right chart to trade because you can overall the trend of the market is bullish. If you are a position trader, if you're holding gold for a long time, you can hold your trades, nothing to worry. But if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then obviously okay, things are not very positive for you. So again, I'm repeating, if you have a swing buy, okay, that you're planning to hold for the next couple of days and weeks, you can hold your buy position. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then I think it's better for you to wait if it is a swing trade. And if you're a day trader, then obviously you need to stick to the levels because we can see that the day traders are still struggling for a clear trend of the market here. So during the day, if market drops, we can look for a next support around this particular level, which is 334041. Why are we looking for support or bounce around 334041? Because of previous resistance will be working as support here, and the second level is around, you can see it 3330 33331 3331. Okay, so these are the two levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a quick bounce, minor bounce of 50 pips. Right now, while recording the video in the Asian session, we can see that there is not much volume in the market. So in absence of volume, okay, if we get 50 pips also, it is good enough. So if market stays like this, then definitely we can expect a bounce around these two areas. And apart from price action, we also have Fibonacci around this area as well. In the last couple of weeks, we saw that Fibo was not working properly, but still, okay, we can expect that this time we may get a temporary bounce of 50 pips. And during the US session, if something crazy happens, if market drops with heavy volume, then this may not work because these are not very strong levels. Then what are the strong levels? Sadly, on the chart of gold, we do not have any strong level right now. That's why many traders are switching to currency pairs, other assets, or um, crypto trading these days. Because yes, gold was a very favorite, extremely favorite asset for the traders. But these days, gold is not giving those moves. So traders, we should mostly be focusing on quality trades, isn't it? But right now gold is failing to do so. Before going to Dubai also, gold was not in a good position, and still I can still say the same thing. So if market drops and takes support around the levels that we discussed, we can look for a buy position because the major levels are far away. And on the other hand, during the day, if you not during the day, chances are high that during the US session market may try to recover, because at present the chart is bullish. So if gold breaks 3375 area, then we can look for a buy above it. But keep in mind, for a cleaner trend, for the market to be bullish again, gold needs to cross 3400, and chances are less that gold is going to give us a clean move, because we do not have any strong fundamentals that will make gold crazy again. So chances are less that we will see gold getting bullish again. So stay in touch with the levels. Level to level trading is the best thing. So if market goes up above 3375, if you see that gold is bullish, we can look for a buy above it. And if market drops during the daytime, we can look for a bounce around the levels that I discussed, 40-41, then 30-31 area. And if anything serious happens, or if market shows a different characteristic by the US session, then I will post it in the Telegram community. If you're still not a part of the Telegram community, feel free to join. The link will be in the description. But overall, if we look at the chart of gold, then obviously we can clearly see that yes, the market may be bullish, but not giving us good opportunities, because as a retail trader, we also have some limitations. We cannot predict, or we cannot understand the behavior of the market at each and every level. हर level में पता करना असंभव है. So we can only look for certain levels. And right now those levels are far away. There's a 50-minute chart of gold. You can see a similar story here, that overall the market is bullish, but are we getting some good opportunities here? The answer is no. So let's wait and watch, and feel free to join the Telegram community for timely updates and analysis. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.